In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear wiper on your Toyota Highlander, located on the back glass. Using 2 fingers on this cap, go to the end and pull out and up. Pull that cap up. This allows the wiper to come up, and then on the rear wiper, grab it at the bottom and pull out. Little wiggle. It unlocks it, and then you can pull it out. Grab your new wiper, install it into the arm, and twist down. It'll lock in. Turn the arm to the glass, and close your cap, and you'll hear a click, and that'll do it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.